Alright, see what the big box is. Yeah. Ooh, metal, steel, fairly heavy. Oh yeah, it's definitely metal. Let's see, I think I bought a swing arm, so there might be a swing arm in here. It's about the size of a swing arm box. Nope. Case. Forster, A-model, something. Came a little. Hey, don't drop it. Heaven forbid you might damage it, right? Yeah, right. Damage the case or something wrong with the case. Guess how they packed it a lot better in that box than glass cases. No shipping damage. Still was making hard contact with the ground though, but not as bad. Ew, broken. Not no cream puff. Original though. It's got all the good shit on it. They obviously broke this case and parked the bike. It's called bubble gum. It's got all the original fittings on there. You never see this stuff on stuff. It's a K model case. Probably not K, it's K model. 52, 53. Pretty nice. What is it? Let's see, 52. Definitely 52. Yeah, the old original crap. Yeah, that's bad. Very common. K models had the weakest trannies in the world, except for 30s, 45s. Even weaker. So yeah, that was blown up, half-ass repaired and blown up again. Then they gave up on it and parked it. Yeah, definitely seen better days. Alright, what year is this thing? Should be a number down here. There we go. Number's over here. 55. KH case, huh? Yeah, didn't look like that to me. 555. 1927. I guess that's KH case. Thought they changed some of the stuff for 55. Guess not. It's a big bike case. 55 incher. That's some rinky-dink little 45 motor. Yeah. Got good studs on it. Yeah, except for the tranny, it looks really nice. It didn't get abused very much until it broke. Yeah, when it got down to here, that's when damage started happening. Those early trannies, 80s, they were weak. 54, they already had upgrades going. It's 55, there's a lot of upgrades on that tranny by 55. That's like 4 generations later. 52, 53, they're changing the tranny every few months. Major changes by the time you got to a KH, and it still pops them. Common problem. Yeah, that needs a... gonna need a little work on that one. Pretty nice case other than that though. I'm thinking there might be a crack through here. It could be casting, but I think that's a crack. Sometimes casting marks will fool you, but other times they're not. So I'll mark through here too. I don't feel it up there though. I'm not seeing that crack. I am seeing that crack down there though. Yeah, when you blast it, it uncovers all the evil parts. Yeah, look how nice and machined that, how bright that machine is. This case does not have a ton of mileage on it. They broke this case early. Nice bright machining marks, real nice and smooth. Never been blasted. It's got a low mileage motor. Too bad it's all screwed up. Yeah, damn. Got the snap ring style case race in it. Here's those oil holes I talked about in that 45 cases. That's where they lubricate through the lifter blocks. Did the same thing on the 45. So the hole comes up through the case. Some kind of a drain back hole for the lifter block. I'm not exactly sure what that was supposed to do, but something it did. Original lifter, nice and tight in there still too. Rollers aren't moving though. No, this one does. A lot of these early lifter rollers, they have a solid bushing in here. They didn't have needles in them. Cars discovered that about 10 years ago. Put bushings in there instead of needles. They last longer. A little bit more drag, but they work better. This one's a little loose. That one's a little loose too. Yeah, I'm not sure what year they went to needles. I think in 52 they had needles in them though. That's a little snug, but there it goes. Tell it's flathead because it's got a flat adjuster on it and doesn't have a cup on it for a push rod. There's no wear on this stuff. You can see all the machine marks. It's still shiny aluminum. Bushings have no wear on them. Yeah. It's a good case to fix and restore. Too bad I don't have the other side to go with it. But yeah, when it looks like that though, it's pretty bad. Got to be fixed. Still got all the CAD plating on the studs. And this is a low mileage case. Yeah, they blew this thing up. They fixed it once more, and then it blew up again. Garbage. This is not very good welding. The rod is very inferior quality. Not enough heat. It's almost like a spool gun did this, not a regular TIG deal. I'm not sure what they had this. They're trying to do something here to help support this, I'm guessing. Didn't work. But, anyway, they fixed it, didn't fix it very well, and of course the transmission broke again because it wasn't fixed very well. And the guy probably still was driving the snot out of it. That's why it broke the first time. Somebody like me, beating the tar out of it. That's what they're for. Yeah, still got the original die on there so they know if that plug came loose. See, that's how original motors are put together. CAD plated lifter blocks in there. CAD plated fittings. These aren't even damaged yet either. You still put threads on these things. They had all steel lines that went on here, big appliance nuts. This is the rear chain oiler right here. Had a tube that came out of here, back to over to your sprocket right here, and lubricate it for you. Yeah, nice case. Too bad it's a piece of crap. It's nice when you find a nice piece, but it ain't that nice. All right, looks like we're getting the collection of cases going here. Right side, we need some left cases. Can't put all rights together and make motors out of them. All right, let's see what else we got.